getting picked up with our Grab Mercedes, going down to the river for the river cruise, and hopefully the rain lets up. There it is. Yeah. The Anantara Resort Riverside Pier Restaurant. I guess we go downstairs, or we're here for the Riverside Cruise dinner, but it's pouring rain and thunderstorming, so we'll see how it is. Pretty fancy here. At least we're not getting wet yet.
Well, it's better now that we're not driving.
There are people here. Swadika. Thank you. It's cold.
It's really cool. It is chicken salad. Chicken salad. This miang kham.
So we're waiting till 7, and we're gonna get on the boat, and I'm probably gonna stay at the dock because it's thundering and lightning, and who knows. Getting on a river cruise boat.
Step again. Enjoy the
Thank you. Hope you don't get seasick. Thank you so much. What? I don't know if I'm a fan. It's slightly moving, so.
Well, we're in the water.
How do you feel?
A little bit scared.
I don't like boats in general, but yeah.
I'm gonna put my bag down here. Do you want me to put your bag?
I don't quite like the way it's boat's rocking, but it is what it is. We have cold towels here for us. Here. They have scent. They're scented. And when I do that, it cools me off. I don't really like being on the end seat because that way I'm like everybody's passing through and by me. It's kind of intrusive, but it is what it is.
How many people do you think are going to be on the boat?
Well, I counted 30, but I couldn't see everyone, so they spaced people out. These are only 2 per table. So this is 2, this is 2, this is 2. And then in the back there's like tables of 3 and a couple of 4. I guess 30 something, no more than 40 though. Everyone gets a view. I guess we didn't pay for the endless alcohol option. We just paid for the 4-course meal each. We'll get water, I think. If you want beers, wine, extra, it's all on the menu and you pay per item.
Sawadee krab. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome on board to Manohra Dinner Cruise for tonight. Now we are the captain to take the boat to the yacht for the lift from the hotel. Please take a seat first. Okay, may I introduce for the safety on board for the tonight. For the under your seat, we have the light board. We hope you enjoy the 2 hours for your dinner cruise. Thank you so much. Please enjoy your dinner.
Somebody chose unlimited wine, house wine, for 999 baht. I didn't want to drink too much, so I just got 1 beer and a water.
There's hand sanitizer right here.
There's Asiatique over there. That's a different kind of cruise. It's like steam. So they poured water in here, so it's like float. I don't like it's supposed to be floating and then end this all in once, or just eat this, which bitter leaf, basil leaf. I thought you said, but I'll eat this. Very good. can't even move on that boat. If you can see in there, it's pretty packed, right? And our boat isn't so packed. We're spaced out, limited people, limited crew, you know. There's a temple over there.
The big ones are coming up soon.
This is our appetizer. It's pork, a little gold flake, and this is like something, I don't know.
Did you say gold flake?
Huh?
Did you say gold flake?
Yeah, there's like little gold flake on it. Weird. I don't know what it is, but it's spicy. I said very little spice and it's hot as Hades.
This is pork. Pork.
Pork.
And bitter leaf.
Wrapped in a leaf. Gold flake. But this stuff is I don't like this appetizer at all. It has a weird aftertaste and it's so hot. It's so spicy.
Oh yeah, gold flake.
The Grand Trampoline. So far, it's been all right. Appetizer I didn't like at all. Going under the bridge.
There's some stuff under, so you probably can't be too deep. Or the shadows. Those are shadows.
Here is our soup.
No spicy.
Oh wow.
This is a seafood soup. The name is Tom Yum Poteng.
Thank you so much. This is tom yum soup without the spices for the wimp that I am. Oh, look at the temple.
What temple is that?
What a rune. No?
That is correct.
You said it was wrong.
I said that's right.
What a rune. My fish, couscous, and my spicy curry sauce is on the side. Unlike this one, I can't handle it.
I think it's
beef cheek. Maybe it's Wagyu beef cheek, but who knows? But there's some peppers in here, so beware. Be very careful. The stuff on top. So this is Wagyu beef cheek. What is that? Well, I don't know what it is, but I like this beef cheek, the Wagyu beef. It's so tender. Got a nice flavor. What is this stuff?
So, did you have a good time?
It was quite interesting. It was a unique experience, I suppose. Got to see some stuff lit up at night on the river in Bangkok. So yeah, it was pretty cool.
How was the food?
The food was okay. One of the appetizers was just too spicy for me, but since they noticed that, then they kind of cut it down. So it's different. It was less spicy.
How were the views?
The views were pretty good with everything lit up at night, so it was pretty cool.
You saw different boats going up and down. What's your thought about other boats?
The other boats are party scene. Music, buffet style food, less formal dining. This is more formal and less people, so those boats just aren't for me. It's too much noise, too much chaos. This at least is more, I don't know, like an intimate setting, quieter, better in my mind. Better quality food too. More attentiveness because the staff here, there's only so many people, so there's less people for them to have to work with. Those boats are a nightmare for me. Maybe if you're 20 years old, that would be wonderful for you, but not for me.
Would you recommend this to others?
I would probably recommend this if you wanted to get away from the craziness of the noise in Bangkok. Take this and enjoy a nice night out and see the sights all lit up at night on the river. Have some good food.
Would you recommend this on a rainy, thunderstorm night?
Even if it's raining, you can still see the sights from the river. So try not to let it deter you.
Did you get enough food?
Yeah, it's fine. That was enough for me. Now we're going to get our dessert and coffee. And then we're going to be finishing off the night with that. So it's $168 for no beverage option. That's what we got. Thank you so much.
What the decorate cannot eat.
you
ขอบคุณนะครับ thank you sir นะครับ
ขอบคุณครับ
Good night ครับ